Welcome to Rebel Chaser. My name is Gail, and I've got a video for you from Judge Kristen Simmons in Michigan, and I'll let you guys watch.
City of Lansing versus Angelica Leha, 24-02775, appearance, please.
Councilman Kaplan for the city, Your Honor.
You can give it back to.
Jeffrey Kaplan, P74943, on behalf of the defendant. She's appearing by Zoom.
Okay, today was the date set for a sentencing. I do have a pre-sentence report. It was prepared on the 10th of March. Did you get a copy?
I have, Your Honor, and I have no corrections, edits, or deletions.
Your Honor, I am again covering for Lawrence Sutton. We have received the pre-sentence investigation report. We have no changes.
You can make allocution.
Nothing from the city, Your
Honor. Your Honor, I'm just going to keep it brief on reviewing the report. It indicates that she's moderate to low risk, recommending 8 months of probation. We just asked you to follow the recommendation, Your Honor.
If the client wishes to make a statement.
Ms. Leisure, you got to take yourself off mute. Do you wish to make a statement? You got to take yourself off mute, Ms. Leisure.
Sorry, I was forced to leave mute. What was the question again? I'm sorry.
Did you want to make a statement to the court at this time before I sentence you?
Yes. Actually, was trying to see if I can have it dismissed. I mean, because it's been over a year. I haven't had any trouble or gotten into any trouble. Actually, it was just one mistake I went through and a bad timing at that moment. I just been out of trouble. I mean, I work very hard. I got 4 children I take care of. So it was just a bad time at that moment. But I've been doing really good, been out of trouble, and just working really hard on proving to be, doing right, actually.
Good. Well, you should be doing right. Your mom, this was 2024, was this incident a year ago?
Correct.
I don't know what you're asking to be dismissed. Nothing, you're not here for a dismissal of a matter. You pled to an amended charge of operating while intoxicated. That means it started off higher than a regular operating while intoxicated. It was charged as a super drunk. Get a 0.29 blood alcohol. Do you know what the legal alcohol limit is?
No, I don't, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Anything above a 0.08 is above the legal limit. You know how many times you were above the legal limit?
I did read it on a paper note. Yes, I do.
And my understanding of the facts as well as the pre-sentence report is you don't even really remember much of the incident because you were so drunk. But you got behind the wheel of a car under those times. And you believe that because you have stayed out of trouble in the last year and have taken care of your children and your other responsibilities, that you have somehow should be rewarded for that by getting a dismissal?
No, not being rewarded. I mean, I don't know. I'm just saying, like, with being on probation, if there's a less timing, I could be on, or less than 8. I know they were saying like 6 to 8 months. So I was saying, I don't know.
The request is for you to do 8 months of probation and to participate in some programming to address your alcohol use, and outpatient, if necessary, would be sufficient due to the high blood alcohol level. One thing I didn't hear neither you or your attorney says is that since this time you've refrained from alcohol. I've not heard that. And so alcohol may still be a real issue for you, or your ability to engage in the consumption of alcohol and make good decisions after that may still be an issue. So I think a term of probation is appropriate.
Okay.
And I will adopt the recommendation of probation. You will be sentenced to a term of 8 months probation. While on probation, you have the following conditions. You're not to use, purchase, or possess alcohol or drugs unless you have a valid prescription. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay. You're not to be at any bars or nightclubs while on probation. You are going to be required to submit to random preliminary breath testing and urinalysis testing, and you have to pay the fee for that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna order that you participate in alcohol education and that you will do outpatient abuse as recommended by probation. You'll maintain employment and provide evidence of that to our probation department. You're not to possess a firearm, ammunition, or weapon of any kind. There's a $30 per month oversight fee that you're responsible for while on probation. There is a $50 state minimum cost plus a $75 crime victim rights fee that will also be assessed. And you owe the Lansing Police Department $384.95 for OWI cost recovery that you must pay. So your total fines and costs is $749.95. You'll make no less than minimum monthly payments on that. And then lastly, there's an advice of rights as to probation that will give you the opportunity to request to be discharged early after you've completed half the original time ordered by the court, so long as you've not had any violations within the 90 days prior to that request. You will use the court's NC 512 form, which is on the court website, and you can get it from your probation officer. You will serve a copy of that form to the city attorney's office and to probation. The city attorney would have 14 days from receipt of that written request to file any objections to your early discharge. So you must have not had any violations, and if I ordered you or you were ordered to do any programming, you would have to have completed all of that programming before making such a request for early discharge after 4 months. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
If I set it for a hearing to address your request, which I have never done, but it could happen, you would have the right to hire an attorney to represent you for such a hearing. You would not have the right to court-appointed counsel for any hearing for early discharge. Do you have any questions at this time?
No, Your Honor.
You need to check in with our probation department and make sure that all your information is accurate. We have a number ending in 6674 for you.
Correct.
That's okay.
Yep.
They'll prepare a judgment of sentence for you to review and sign, and you will be reporting monthly via Zoom for your probation. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing further from the city, thank you.
Not for the defense, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I never realized that all you had to do if you got a DUI is go into court and say, I'm good. I don't need anything else. So thank you. Bye. She was almost 4 times the legal limit. And she thinks that all she has to do is go into court and say, I'm good. So thank you, but goodbye. That's all. I'm good. Yeah, it doesn't work that way. Sorry. And it shouldn't work that way. So I thought you guys would get a good laugh out of that one. I just thought I'd show it to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.